Are you B.Tech or graduate fresher? Looking for a job in IT MNCs like Wipro, XYL, IBM? Join Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd, the best IT recruiter company in India. Special 45 days industrial training and placement program in networking, and get placed in MNC like Wipro, XYL, IBM. Placed 3,700 plus freshers in MNC in network, cloud and security domain. Experienced trainers from corporates. 100% job guarantee. Evision provides real-time work experience and exposure, 1-year work experience, internship documents for job, modified resume as a network engineer.
My name is Rashi Srivastava. I am from Chhapra, Bihar. I have completed my B.C.A. in 2022 and I have done 45 days internship program under the Evision. And I learned many more modules like virtualization, networking, CCNA, Linux, etc. After that, I got a job with 2.5 LPA, and the payroll company is Excel IT Services, and the client company name is Blackberry. I am very happy. They support me very well. The faculty of Evision is very great. They guide and take mock interviews, how to communicate, how to crack the interviews. They trained me very well. They support me very well. I am very thankful for Evision team. They support us very well. This is very great platform to get a job in reputed company. Thank you so much, Evision team.
Our mission to provide job in MNC. More than 1 lakh jobs in desktop and networking by 2021. Get trained and placed within 45 days in MNC like Wipro, XYL, others. Roles in networking: technical support specialist, IT support administrator, desktop support engineer, Windows system engineer, network administrator, Linux system administrator, Unix administrator. Evision, connecting talent to opportunity. For more queries, contact the number given below or visit www.evisions.co.in.